Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Monday video, and we are going to be testing out today. And I only have a sample of it, so I will put a picture of it right there. It is the Cool AF Lava Water Foundation from Pretty Vulgar. This is the sample that I have. So this is what we're going to be using. I got another sample and I really wanted to try it today. But look at the samples. They're like nothing. There's not even going to be enough for a full face here. Which is sad because I really wanted to do this one too. This is the Woke Up Like This from Lawless. And it seems like I remember hearing good things about it. But there's not enough there to do my face. Anyways, let me tell you about this one. It comes in, I don't remember, 20 shades, I think. I counted them just 2 seconds ago, and I've already forgotten. It retails for $39. It is exclusive at Sephora. Let me see. Details. All right. It is a full coverage matte liquid foundation that's cooling, lightweight, and long wearing for naturally flawless looking skin. The highlighted ingredients are the lava water, a natural resource from the base of volcanic ruins in the Jeju Islands. It helps improve the overall condition of the skin and provides environmental defense. Filled with minerals and nutrient salts, it provides antioxidants and supports natural cell production. The next highlighted ingredient is charcoal powder, absorbs harmful substances from the skin, such as minerals and toxins, leaving a clearer, stronger, and healthier surface. And the third highlighted ingredient is sodium hyaluronate. Holding up to 1,000 times its weight in water, it helps boost skin's moisture content, promote visible firmness, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So yay! And I think that's everything you need to know about it. So let's just get started. I have already primed my skin with my Tarte base tape. Where is it? There it is. And so let's just go into this stuff. Okay, and we're gonna try the lightest color, but I may have to go to this, mix some of this second one in with it. Or maybe I'll just go to the second one. We'll just break these two off. And the color is No Filter. Fair light with neutral undertones. That sounds like me. And it is number 12. Let's go ahead and put this on. That's kind of light too, huh? And this is the second one. Let's see how it spreads out. No, it's too light. Well, I may have to just mix in a little of the darker though. Where did I do with them? Oh, here they are. So let's go ahead and open this darker one and mix some of that in there. This one is number Skin Tease. So it's 43. But there's a lot more colors. This is just all you get in the samples are these 4 colors. So I'm sure you could probably find one that matches without having to mix them, maybe. That's better. So we'll just do that. We'll just put a little of this. And then we'll put a little of this right on top of it. I forgot to put any over here, didn't I? All right. And we'll just take this little brush and mix it all together. That looks like a pretty good color. Still a little bit light, but good enough. Seems like I got too much dark over there. Okay, let's go over it with a sponge. Because there's a lot of brush marks in it right now. Oh, it's got pretty good coverage though. I did notice that this did not say it was for dry skin though. So it may end up drying out too much. But it said normal to, you know, oily and everything but dry skin. So hopefully my skin's not that dry right now. Are you guys excited for the stores to open up again? I am, even though I don't go very many places, but it's different when you can't. So I'm excited. I'm excited for everything to open up again. I do go to Sephora and Ulta though. Like almost every time I go to town. Even though I buy online too, I still go there because I want to get color matches and stuff. Because there's foundations are just, you know, hard to get without seeing them in person. Okay, it looks good. Let's move on. Let's put on our concealer. And then I think I'm going to use my cream bronzer. That new one I've got. I really like that one. Oh, I forgot to do my right here. I just have to blend this in and get rid of the purple. My eyelid. Guess I'm not very talkative today. But that's okay. You guys know what I'm doing. Just blend, blend, blend. Get it out of all the wrinkles. Keep it moving till it sets, so it doesn't settle in to all the wrinkles. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my bronzer now. My Breezy bronzer from Tarte. It's the lightest one. I don't know. It'll be the right color in the information box. Because I remember the first time I used this, I couldn't find the color. And I thought Breezy was the color, but that's the name of the product. I like to use these e.l.f. brushes. This one for this. So I just think it's so subtle and pretty, and you just don't need very much. It's not as orangey as some. I mean, it looks really orangey in here, but see where I've used it, it's not as orangey. It's like that's just the top of it or something. I just think it's really pretty. All right, this is an elf brush. I don't know if it says what it is. Sculpting face brush. That's what this is. So let's just do a little sculpting. We're going to do a little nose sculpting. And lip. Right. Now I'm going to take my sponge and I'm going to press out the rest of these wrinkles that I'm sure reappeared. And then we're going to go in with our bye-bye pores and set everything in place. Now I'm going to put it back into the jar, and just what's left in here, grab my powder brush and go over everything else. Just like that. And then we're going to go in with a little more color because that kind of muted everything I just did. But it's okay because we want it there. We want it to set that so it doesn't move into the wrinkles. So I'm just going to grab some, I'm going to use my Milani bronzer and my Milani powder brush, and basically go over everywhere I just put that cream bronzer. And then I'm going to grab my Dallas, my favorite blush. Just put a little of that on the cheekbones or the cheeks. And then I'm going to go in with my stippling brush and just blend that out a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with my highlighter, my Benefit Cookie, my favorite one. And just put a little of that right there, a little right there. there and right there. And then I will go back in with my stippling brush and tone it down a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go off camera and do my eyes, and I will be back to show you the look of the day. Okay guys, I am back, and I have to tell you that this foundation is horrible. It's so dry. I mean, it looks great all down here, but on my forehead it is like crackling. It's so dry and it's sinking into lines. It's not really sinking into these down here, but I don't know what it is. Maybe I got too much on my forehead. I don't know, but it's terrible on my forehead. Yep. Anyways, I don't think I need to come back at the end of the day because there's no way I would use this. It's too dry. Too dry. Like between my eyes, right here, and all on my forehead. So it's a definite thumbs down for this one. And this is the Pretty Vulgar Cool AF Lava Water Foundation. I think that's what it's called. Let me just look. Yeah, Cool AF Lava Water Foundation. That's what it is. But if you have oily skin, it might be perfect. But if you have dry skin, like I do, I have actually normal skin with dry patches. And obviously my dry patch is my forehead, which I didn't think that was my dry patch. But, because it's usually right here on my temples is where my dry patches are. But that doesn't even look as bad as it does on my forehead. It looks terrible on my forehead. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. And hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!